Have you ever struggled to track ownership changes after a capital transaction? When companies issue shares, buy them back, or restructure equity and debt, it directly impacts ownership, financial structure, and reporting. Managing these changes accurately is critical for compliance, transparency, and investor confidence. But in practice, capital changes are not easy to manage. Ownership percentages can become difficult to track after transactions. Adjusting equity, share capital, and reserves requires precision. Journals must be accurate, auditable, and aligned to the parent company's reporting currency. When handled manually, this process often leads to errors, delays, and significant effort. And even small mistakes can affect consolidated financial results. Financial automation simplifies this process. Key inputs like financial investments, net equity changes, and ownership percentages are captured in a structured system. Journals are generated automatically in the parent company's reporting currency. Eliminations for financial investments and net equity are handled consistently. This ensures ownership structures are updated accurately without impacting consolidation incorrectly. With financial automation, ownership structures remain accurate and up to date. Manual effort is significantly reduced. Financial records are clear, auditable, and compliant. Reporting becomes faster and more reliable. What was once a complex and error-prone process becomes controlled, efficient, and easy to manage. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights.